Ketanat pulit ke Jela Meghalaya haka stantere ulber arja arpusau haka press briefing kabakala khot bat weri kilat pathai kubor ban kran halor ke jingpen kra ya ke election bat ke jinglong jingman hapok ke Jela hapok office traikam u DGP kala kran halor jong uba Storgy lingdo Dkhot ke Nyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC ubaki pulit kila kem haka step jong ke artere ulber arja arpusau nagiyeng sa jong ke kme ke badan hamaulen rai klishnong Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ke Deputy Inspector General of Police Tactical Application Police ke Conclodia and Lingua kalaong bakumno on nget ya kata ke jing tmu ban wan Pyndemwait jong uba Storgy namar de Dkhot badan bantah ke miet jong jing kran esok bar udang sulik pai sa Bangladesh balada kalong kumta udai bandan hapok ke Jela Shushu kalaong banna ke mobile ke baki layo ban kurup lalap bon kisaki ki baki suba ya ke jingdan kiti jong u bat ki kam dawa pisah hapok ke Jela
HNLC, as you all know, from a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning. And till date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the band HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh and he was finally arrested by the East Khasi Hills police, and from his mobile phone only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue and our doors are always open. The person had gone to Bangladesh and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding.
Nalor kata kala itu bakat kum gajing tep ke baki dan break ke HNLC kam duna ya ki lai pongon barah ka de bagi tiar gitar kalau ang bakam la ban tep ya gajing dan tiar ayu.
As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30. Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them.
So the operations will continue despite the government's initiative for talks?
No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take its own course.
From Storgy alone, how many demand notes were served to him, to people?
No. There was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was open and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people. No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them. No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable because at the end of the day, that is against the law. See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing, and whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC have started in Meghalaya, the police have worked, endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people. The question of surrender doesn't arise. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking with them, and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk. When it comes to demand notes, why are you only looking at HNLC? There are lots of kinds of people who does serve, whether that is HNLC demand note, whether these things, it's just crime, you know. You cannot pinpoint on any particular organization. As of date, there's only one single report, and in this one single report, we have acted upon it. Whatever is floating in the social media, that's just social media. But whoever has supposedly got these demand notes have never reported to us. So then how will we act on it?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.